so that's what we're exploring, and we're using the high-rise as a metaphor for that. This is the key hero image. And one thing to say, it's 100% produced by the National Film Board of Canada. The National Film Board of Canada is almost twice as old as the internet. We've been around since 1939. We've created 14,000 films, 14 Oscars, and we work mostly in the documentary and animation space, but we are moving really big time into the digital space. And it's One Way Tower is part of an award-winning project called High Rise, and that's the exploration of the vertical suburb. Why launch documentary at Mozilla Festival? It's a really good question. Well, for one thing, we are actually not a film. I haven't called myself a filmmaker in years. I call myself a documentary maker. And in fact, as Ryan said, our project is built in WebGL, and it's also using Popcorn.js. So just to briefly explain how we use those two technologies, WebGL is the world first use of WebGL in documentary. We have created a 3D space online in the browser, and our entire documentary takes place in that space, in that storytelling environment. And Popcorn, the way you've seen Popcorn before maybe in the demos, is that Popcorn brings in semantic data around the video. What our genius creative technologist has done is make Popcorn drive every single event that you're going to see in this documentary. The second reason why we're really chuffed to be here at Mozilla is we believe, just like you guys do, what Mitchell was talking about and what Mark's been talking about, you guys talk about making users of the web, makers of the web again. And I think what we're trying to do at High Rise is make users of the city, makers of the city again. I think, I certainly, before I started this project, I thought you walk into a city and it's something that happens to you. You have no control, you're just a little insect in a hive. And in fact, what the people that we've been working with, the amazing collaborators have been teaching us, is that we can shape our city. And so that's why we're really thrilled to be here with you guys. And the third reason we're happy to be here is because of you. We're so thrilled to be part of a community that believes in the open, accessible, democratic web and city. And there's some human APIs and consultants in the audience amongst you guys that we really want to honor with this launch. So if you can bear with us, we're going to put the credits at the beginning of the documentary. Brett Gaylor, Mark Sermon, if you guys could all stand up. Brett Gaylor, Mark Sermon, Ryan Merkley, David Humphrey, Bobby Rick